Good morning, welcome to Momento's Pizzeria and Restaurants. Today we're gonna make a recipe out of my cookbook. We're gonna, by the way, we're gonna do the tuna sandwich today. It's called the tuna bites. We have this bread. This bread, absolutely, I bring it straight from Italy. It is amazing, comes straight from Venice. It's particular bread that, have that a full body of, not just a sliced bread that you see in a store. In Italy, we call them pancare, which is prepared in such a particular way that carry the full body of a nice sandwich bread, but also have the delicacy to be soft and presentable. I got this piece of tuna that is amazingly beautiful, So, first things first, you gotta have a Boston lettuce for this. Boston lettuce, make sure that you keep them nice, the roots in the water. When you do the celery, try to use the celery hearts. Very tender, doesn't have the strings that go. And I will pound it this way and put them inside to a stainless steel bowl. I do it this way for simple reason. I tenderize it a little bit so that when we put the juice, when we put the condiments inside, it will absorb and it will have that, that juice inside. So, nice lime. Usually the lime is very tough to squeeze it, like lemon is easier. And you put the fork sideways and you just move the fork. So without squeezing the meat out, just taking the juice. Why I put in lime? The lime has a sweetness on the tart. It doesn't have just a tart like lemon. Have that little sweetness. Seedless cucumbers or otherwise you call them English cucumber, and you take the very nice and thin, and we put them like this inside. So you have a great combination, a marination of clove of garlic, fresh ground pepper, Himalayan salt, nice stack of hard celery, not chopped, not sliced, just crushed it, and leave them in the length of the sandwich, and beautiful cucumber. We leave this to marinate right now. Cast iron pan, heat it up, and then after that you put a little bit oil, and what you do, you just, that's how you do the cast iron pan. And we cut the tuna in 2 pieces. This is for one sandwich. The tuna, no oil on that, just salt and pepper. We're gonna give them about 30 seconds in one side and 30 seconds to the other side. We need to have that layer of a first layer cooked, but then middle I need it nice and beautiful. We take this, put them right there. Now we have the celery and the cucumber. Put them right on top. You put the bread right on top. The last of these that is, you put them right there. Come to Momento's. This sandwich is going to be in our menu for lunch and dinner. It's a great sandwich. Give us a try it. Momento's Pizzeria and Restaurants is always here. We do not do the best. We do the best we can. Whoever says is the best is the foolish person on planet Earth. You do the best you can. This is Momento's Pizza, 570-422-1040. And buon appetito.